Ahoy fellow builders and welcome to TuneR, and today we will unbox and test this Hobby Mio's desktop vacuum cleaner. Before we start, this video was brought to you by Hobby Alley. Hobby Alley is a hobby shop that caters your hobby needs from model kits, toy figures, paints, tools, accessories, and consumables. Name it and they have it. Hobby Alley partnered with top-of-the-line and international brands just to secure they provide quality items for their clients. You can now check their items on their website, Facebook, and now even on their Shopee page. Okay, fellow builders, we have new tool here, and this is the desktop vacuum cleaner by Hobby Mio. Well, I believe most of you already know how a desktop vacuum cleaner works. Well, for the benefits of others, this desktop vacuum cleaner is your tool in cleaning your workspaces. So this is the box packaging of the tool. So as you can see at the top is of course the logo of Hobby Mio desktop vacuum cleaner and the image of the product itself. And for the other sides, we have here the again logo of Hobby Mio, their contact numbers or the office information, and some reminders and precautions here like this one: please recycle, don't throw it anywhere, keep away from kids 3 years old and below. And on this side, I think this is the product feature but in Chinese character. Let me handle this. I can do this for you. I know some of the words. So this one is LEC Bateli Sang Oras. Okay, kidding aside. So this icon stands for the turbine blades. This one is it has the feature of 360 degrees upward wind direction. This icon is for the, of course, this is a battery powered and it can last up to an hour of usage. And that's all for the product package. Now let's check the product itself inside. So we have here the stickers for further details of this vacuum cleaner, desktop vacuum cleaner, and we have here the manual or user guide. Step 1, twist the cover cap, and we will be needing 2 AA batteries. We have here the fully charged battery, and look pro yarn. Ginagamit ko pang Tamiya yan. So I'm seeing here the motor of this vacuum. And what if I use a plasma dash motor here? And place back the cap. And there you go. So let's check with the power button. Okay, that's the wind power. So right now I'm feeling the wind coming out from the side. And let's check the suction power. There you go. Let's check on the paper. So, there you have it. It sucks perfectly.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, I mean the suction power is good. Okay. says here that the product is around 140 grams and with a 13,500 RPM or rotation per minute. So pretty nice and pretty cool. For the removing the debris or the dust collected, we need to twist this cover like this, and we have this debris collector cup. We can see here the blade turbine. And at the bottom part, we have some brushes here for scooping the debris and dust particles. And we have reminders. Do not insert your finger here to avoid possible accidents.
Sir, get me that gadget. But sir, it's a prototype. Get me that gadget.
Tama na, okay na. And now let's try how this works. Well, it really works. It really has suction power. Recommended for picking up table debris, tabletop dust. Can also pick water spouts. So, yung mga mahilig mag-customize dyan and mahilig magkaskas ng flat plates at nagkakalat kayo ng mga pulbos ng flat plates or yung sa mga madalas magliha dyan for their customization. And also can be used for search and rescue operation for your lost smallest gunpla parts with a high probability that it went to a gunpla black hole. Best used for small area application, and for the design, looks nice and very handy. It's up to you if you want to apply these stickers. I really like the design. Kahit iwan mo lang siya or ipatong mo lang siya, hindi siya alangan i-display. And very gandamic yung datingan niya.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes, indeed, it can pick water spouts, but do not use it in a large amount of liquid. You need to manage to collect the debris and do not let the collection cap reach the maximum capacity. This will result for your blade turbine to be stuck. Parang jowa nyo lang yan na pag napuno, tiyak ang relasyon ay hihinto.
Gago!
Well, again, if you manage to buy lots of master grade kits gunpla, then why don't you try also to have this kind of tool? And wait, there's more. They do also have another design of this desktop vacuum cleaner. So this one is very char asnabal looking, and this one is another color theme from MS General. Of course, yes, it also has its sticker for further details. Again, based on the MS General theme, instruction manual, and the product itself. Let's check this. Here, it's a cream blue, light blue color for this one. If you want to add details, you can use this sticker as well. It's up to you if which of them would you like to pick. Again, if you want to know more about this product and other Hobby Mio products, you can visit Hobby Ali Shopee page, website, and Facebook. Also, please do burst like, share, and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell for more videos. And this is Hobby Mio's desktop vacuum cleaner. Until next time here in Tunar, just build more and build up.